On Valley News Live, blue skies, quiet weather, and we'll take it as our very wet weather of the last several days has been having an impact even well after the rainfall as our rivers continue to remain swollen, flooded, and over their banks. As we take a look at your current conditions, though, 36 is all we could muster right now, 37 at Moorheads Airport. Still a wind chill out there, so way below average. Your average high for this time of the year, very close to 60. So we take a look, the clouds are exiting, taking a look at the visible satellite. Here's the banks of snow, about 4 feet over the last 3 systems in and around the Minot area, and a lot of even ice knocking power out there. They continue to try to melt some of the piles of snow. We still have some snow here as we look up into that Langdon, Walhalla area, Cavalier, straight down into Nelson and Grand Forks County through Walsh County. At the Fordville area as well. Taking a look at temperatures, they're warm in southwest North Dakota. Hettinger at 49 degrees. Where we do have that snow band here, cooler temperatures, Langdon 34. It's a little warmer in Hallock at 41 degrees. And Paul Bunyan's not too bad a shape there, but still donning the flannel at 33, 37 in Oaks. Tonight, not much changes. Clear, a little breezy, mainly in our southern counties where you see the arrows, 15-mile-per-hour winds. Overnight, a few clouds and a few sprinkles working their way through, maybe even some showers of snow along the South Dakota border. That is how you start your hump day, with quiet conditions to the north. All of us in those chilly 20s once again. Midday, the clouds break. Temperatures are on their way up. Still breezy where you see the green arrows. It could be even gusty at times to around 30 miles per hour. But look at this. The afternoon, a southeast wind, 40s. We warm temperatures over what we saw today in many locations by a good 5 to 10 degrees, even more than that in central Minnesota. Look at Badette, close to 50 degrees for you. So a nice warm day, a little breezy, but still another quiet day as far as additional precipitation goes. We'll talk more about that weekend system in just one moment. 28 to start your morning in Fargo. Temperatures ramping their way up. We'll have a southeast wind here, 15 to 30 miles per hour. Temperatures warm into the mid-40s for your afternoon, and then that wind, well, while not quiet, will begin decreasing as we go through the afternoon for a fairly pleasant, albeit below average kind of day. Here's the latest outlook from the American model. Friday, the rain moves up into the area overnight and into your Saturday morning. The path of this storm is continuing to change, and it will shift as we go through, but it does look like a good chance of significant rainfall Friday night and into Saturday in particular, where it rains all day and snows out west once again. And remember, many of those areas up there in the Williston area and near Minot without power. Hit and miss showers of rain last into Sunday as that snow tries to work its way in. Some of our northern counties may indeed see additional flakes. The latest outlook shows the heaviest potential in yellows and oranges here, where we'll see 1 to 2+ inches of rain. And remember, that's not good for our rivers. So we'll keep our eyes on that. The good news is places like Crookston and northwest Minnesota have a little bit lower chance, the way it looks, at seeing the heavier rain as opposed to out west. So we'll keep you apprised of that and its impact on our rivers. Thanks for all of your photos and all of your videos throughout this struggle. 47 degrees on a mild day for your Thursday, and we warm up Friday. Late in the day, the rain begins, and it could be heavy at times into Saturday in particular, where we'll have a prolonged chance of rain throughout the day, changing to snow for some up north on our Sunday, and then we cool off with those north winds into next week. So again, we will be watching this very closely, because exactly where and how much water hits what watershed will dictate whose rivers may again crest.
All right, thanks. Up next on Valley News Live at 6, details on a relief fund aiming to help ranchers who have suffered from recent blizzards.